One of two excavators transported on truck trailer collided with a vital bridge in the capital Baghdad, as a result of the boom of the first excavator being higher than the clearance under the bridge. When transporting excavators, their booms are lowered. Only one excavator of this size or bigger is transported on the trailer. There are no warning signs installed before the bridge to warn the drivers of exceeding the height, and those in charge should check the heights before attempting to pass under the bridge or when choosing the path. It seems that the truck was traveling at quite a speed, which caused the breach of the concrete beam of the bridge. The trailer may be able to carry the weight of two excavators, but their size does not allow that. In special cases, two excavators can be placed in this opposite manner. The accident, in addition to the damage to a part of the bridge, caused severe damages to the excavator and traffic blocks in the bridge and the busy highway lanes at the accident area. Traffic chaos continues in Iraq. From here and there,